at the certain study or research. Therefore, disease prevalence, that means the prevalence rate on the specific disease, which is said to be disease prevalence, refers to all the current cases, that means available cases or active cases, that is the either old or new existing over the defined or specific period of time, or at given any steady period of time or any single point of time, which is the based on steady period of time or data taken time, that is said to be defined or specific period of time. There are following measures of prevalence. That is, the first one is point prevalence, which means prevalence based on the specific or particular period of time or particular point of time, single point of time, that is measured by the single points. That means point prevalence. Point prevalence is used to, that is the measure of specific disease, to measure the frequency or number of occurrence of an illness or influenced by the certain case or disease in new and old or at existing the particular period of time or specific period of time. That is said to be point prevalence rate. The point prevalence is given by total number of new and old cases. That means total number of available or frequency new and old cases found at a particular study period of time or particular period of defined period of time, divided by total number of exposed risks in the same point of time, that means the defined period of time, which are multiplied by 1000. That is the constant factor in the case of the calculation of the point prevalence. Similarly, another prevalence rate, that is the period prevalence rate. That means the time in the certain period, certain interval, certain range, that is said to be period, which is studied in descriptive statistical measures, that is said to be period. Period means the time in certain interval, certain range, certain limit, that means the particular value to lower value to upper value, that is said to be period, is also known as the range. The prevalence rate is calculated based on the interval of time, that is said to be, that are measured by the period prevalence. Period prevalence is used to measure the frequency or number of illness of an illness in existing during the defined range of time. Generally, range of time or period of time is based on or defined in the either days or weeks or month or defined year, etc. Either 5 years or 10 years, that is also period of time. Therefore, period of prevalence is calculated based on the mathematically, that means the total number of new and old cases found during the specific range of time or period of time, divided by total number of exposed to risks in same period of time, which are multiplied by 1000. These are the two types of prevalence rate. That means that if the prevalence is calculated based on the single time, that is said to be point prevalence, and if the time or data or certain risks is observed at certain interval of time or range of time or limit of time, that is said to be period prevalence. Example for prevalence rate, there are two examples for each category, that means point prevalence and period prevalence. First, there are altogether 250 dengue patients found out of the 18,000 in the Suryabenak municipality in 2009 August, that is based on previous years. Calculate the point prevalence because the data in measured in only August, therefore it is said to be point prevalence. Based on the total starting from 1st August to last August, that is said to be interval. Only says that August means that is the cross-sectional data. Cross-sectional data means to observe the single period of time. Therefore, it is calculated by using the point prevalence. Another questions, please calculate the point prevalence based on the previous formula. That means the point prevalence is calculated by using the total number of cases found in the August divided by total number of population risks in the same period of time, that is into multiplied by 1000, that means 250 divided by 18,000 into 1000. Please calculate the point prevalence rate. Another question for interval prevalence in Bhaktapur, 2000 myocardial disease patients were recorded in the certain person in 2018. That means also that means based on the January to December. That means total number of population in Bhaktapur is estimated about 77 lakhs in 2018. Compute the prevalence, because this is the 2018. That means the not a cross sectional, that is the longitudinal, that is based on the 1st January to last December. Therefore, it is the time variation data. First one is only based on the cross sectional data. Therefore, first one is calculated prevalence rate by using the cross sectional data. Second one is by using the longitudinal study. That means the data are observed based on the 1st January to last December. Therefore, it is measured by the rate prevalence. Therefore, prevalence rate is given by 2000 divided by 7 lakhs into 1000. Please calculate the prevalence rate in for each questions. Each question like prevalence rate calculation गर्ने कति आउँदो रहेछ खै स्टुडेन्टले क्याल्कुलेसन गर्यो छैन. Please calculate the prevalence rate. 13.88, that is the point prevalence or interval prevalence rate. Which one? Point prevalence. Okay. Another interval prevalence or prevalence. Please calculate the rate prevalence based on this question. That means in the Bhaktapur, 2000 myocardial disease patient were recorded in the certain patient in 2018. The total number of total population in the Bhaktapur is estimated 70 lakhs in 2018. Compute the rate prevalence based on this data. कति आउँछ प्लिज क्याल्कुलेसन गर्ने. म हेर्छु कति आउँदो रहेछ. यहाँ क्याल्कुलेसन त पक्कै गरेछ. Rate prevalence is 2.85 per 1000. Okay. Okay. Continue. Now, next, the event that influence the demographic or population study, that is the also major event in the demography, that is the migration. Previous classes we should discuss the event in demography, that is the birth and death. Next one is the birth, death and morbidity. Next one is the migration, which is also the vital event which includes the structure, size and distribution of population in any geographical place or any area, any wards, in any rural or urban region. That are the another events in the case that is the includes the population of any country or any local government. That is the next event, migration inside the demography. Migration is the process, that means the process or process of movement from the movement of the people or population or single population, single individual or group of individual from any geographical area, that means original place or birthplace, to other several geographical areas or other geographical place, that is the destination places, is said to be migration. That means the movement of the individual from any, but that means the place of birth to destination places, that is said to be migration. That means move from one place to other place is also said to be migration. Usually the population changes, that means variation of the population or influence or effectiveness of the population of certain region or certain country, certain geographical place, certain local government or certain region or a country depends upon the vital event or vital component. That is, the one must be fertility, which are based on the productivity, that means the birth. Another one is the mortality, that is also based on the death of the population or individual. And last one is the migration of the population, that means movement of the individual or household or member of the household or the group of the people from one place to another place. Generally, place based on the birth to place based on the designation, that is said to be migration. Migration is another most important or prime component or major component, that is important component in the population, which change, influence, effect within and between the region, within and between the certain geographical place, between and certain country or other local government. That is the most important vital events in the study of demography. The process of the migration from origin place to destination place, that means the place of birth to place of migration place, that means new designation place, is complex phenomena or different component phenomena involving the number of factors, that means influenced by, affected by different factors that create the migration of the individual or household or group of the individual from one place to another place. For example, there are the following major factors which influence the migration. That means the social factor, that means social discrimination also affect the migration, that create the movement from one place to another place. Economic status, generally active person are moved from one place to another place, that is first rural to urban, urban to urban, for the job or specific any study or other kind of the facility that is inside the that is also based on the economic study, that is based, that are the factor of economy. Cultural, that means the all culture that's homogeneous or heterogeneous, that influence the movement of the individual. Political unravels or political instability, which also influence which create the movement of the population. Behavior, that it changes the movement, previous generation movement, migration of the previous generation also influence the migration of new generation. Conflict, certain community or certain political or certain other conflict also affect the migration or empower the change the movement of the population. Catastrophe and many others, there are different phenomena or other factors which influence the movement of the person from one place to other place. Migration has the significant or important implication on the regional, regional and national planning for equitable rural development of the country. Similarly, different geographical place, different rural area or rural place, that are the used for the national planning policy for the equally developed in the context of the rural region of the certain country, or generally that also influenced by the migration. Generally, there are the 4 migration stream, that means that are just like a rural to rural, the population movement from one rural area to other rural area. Similarly, rural to urban, that means that all population, that means migrated population are movement from rural area to urban area. Another one is urban to urban, one urban area to other urban for the specific purpose or certain other factors. And last one is rural to urban for using the or that are influenced the noisiness, crowdy, that base movement is urban to rural. All the individual migrated from effectiveness of rural, or that is pollution. That our last factor is urban to rural migration. Among them, the migration, particular rural to urban in the developing country like Nepal, Pakistan, or India, that are the based on the developing country, plays the great role in the changing the socio-demographic or economic and cultural perspective of the population involved in the process of migration. That means changing movement of the population from both at origin and destination place. That means place of birth to place of destination. That is based on that is a specific characteristic of the migration in the developing country. The process of rural to urban migration in any country, especially that developing country like Nepal, is higher because diverse selectively that is taking the specific in the religion, in the relation with age. There are active person more migrated, sex generally male and female. Generally female are more migrated than male because they based on the marriage. Caste and ethnicity similarly higher than based on our country. That means Nepal, that is a Brahmin or Kshatriya, are more migrated than others ethnicity or caste like Janjati and Dalit. Marital status, that means also female are more migrated than the male. Education status, that educated person, that is based on the higher educated person are migrated than the low educated individual or household or individual or population. Different occupational individual, or that means the based on government, non-government, social service population are or individual are migrated than other individual. Family size, more family size like to be or more family size. If the family size is large, that member of that family also enforced or migrated than low population size or low size of the family of the any household. There are following types of the migration in the study of the migration based on the vital events. It can be movement, that is based on the movement within the country and between the country. That means it can be subgrouped into internal migration, that means movement of the individual within the country. That means the migration inside the certain bounded area, that is said to be internal migration. Another one is international migration, that means the movement between the countries, that means movement of one individual from one country to other countries, that is said to be international migration. Internal migration is the change of, that means the movement of resident within the national boundaries, that means the certain geographical place, such as the between the state, between the province, between the cities, between the municipality, between the district, between the wards, between the local government. That is said to be internal migration. An internal migrant, that means individual, is someone who moves. That means that the individual moves to different administrative territory within the certain bounded region or certain country. That is said to be internal migration. Inside the migration, there are two words. That means one must be in migration, another one is to out migration. That means inside the internal migration. In migration means the individual or people moving into the one place from another place, that within the certain country or national territory or bounded region. That means the in migration. That means the individual or population or family or household moving into the one place from other place is said to be within the country, is said to be in migration. Out migration means the people moving the or individual moving the out of the one place to another place. That means into the one place to outward is said to be in migration. Out of the one place to another migration is said to be within, is said to be out migration within the certain country or national territory. That means the out migration. In the case of the Kathmandu, all the individual come from the other geographical place or other province is said to be migration for the purpose of the other local government or province, that is said to be out of migration. In the context of Kathmandu, that is in migration. आगो ठाउँमा चाहिँ त्यसलाई in migration, गएको ठाउँमा out migration. Similarly, another migration, that is the international migration. International migration means the movement of the individual from one country to other countries, one territory to other territory, that is said to be international migration. It is the change of the resident or change of the individual or movement of the individual over the national boundaries. An international migrant is someone who moves to different country. That means they are moves from one country to other countries. That is said to be international migration. Inside the international migration, there are two types of the migration. That means the immigration and immigration. That immigration means leaving one country, move to other country, or movement from the country is said to be immigration. For example, Nepalese people immigrated from Nepal. That is said to be immigration. That means all the individual moved from Nepal is said to be immigration. Immigration means moving into the new country. That means enter the new country is or movement to a country is said to be immigration. That means in population from other country, that is said to be immigration. Migration or out of people from country, that is said to be immigration. That means all the Indians or other countries people immigrated to Nepal is said to be immigration. That means the foreigner enter in the certain country is said to be immigration. IMMIGRATION. All the individual of national people are living from the country or move to other country, that is said to be immigration. That is the EMIGRATION. That means the living population or the living migration is said to be immigration. Entering the population is said to be immigration. Immigrant, inside there are different terminology. That means immigrant, a person who leaving the country in reside is said to be another country, that is said to be immigrant. Immigrant, IMMIGRANT. Immigrant means a person who is entering a country from other country or another to take up new resident, that is said to be immigrants. There are different measuring tools or device inside the measuring the migration. That means the different tools device inside the demographic study of the vital event migration. That means the first one is gross migration, that total number of the in migrant and out migrant within the country. That means the number of entering the foreigner and number of outgoing the nationality within the country is said to be gross migration. Similarly, another migration, that means the net migration, the difference between the in migration and out migration. That means the total number of entering the foreigner subtracted to the total number of outgoing the nationality, that is the net migration. Net migration rate, that means all study based on the rate ratio inside the vital statistics. Net migration rate, that means the net migration rate is the difference between the number of immigrants of an area or a certain country in a specific period of time or time which multiplied by 1,000 inhabitant or divide by 1,000 inhabitant, that is the considering on mid-term population, that means total number of population inside the certain geographical place. A positive value, if the net value of the net migration rate is positive, then that value represent or indicate the more population entering the country than leaving it. That means the number of population entering the country is greater than number of individual or population or people from country leaving it. That means positive, which represent by the positive value of net migration rate. If the net migration rate is negative, that means the minus, which indicate the more population leaving than entering it. That means the number of population, number of individual leaving the certain country, entering the certain country is higher than lesser than number of population outgoing the country or leaving the country. In the context of 2015 net migration rate of Nepal, which are the best data based on the Nepal Tourism Board, is minus 15.11 per thousand population. That means the net migration rate of Nepal in 2015 is negative. That represents the more population leaving than entering. That means the number of individual move from Nepal is greater than number of foreigner entering in the Nepal. That represent in the 2015 based on the data of Nepal Tourism Board. Reason of migration, that means different factors which influence the migration of population or movement of the population. There are many different reasons, such as the different economic factor. Low income, high income, middle income people are migrated from one place to other places, one province to other province, one country to other country, one geographical place to other geographical place. Similarly, another factors, that means another reason, social factor, different social event also influence the movement of the people from one place to other place. Political factors, political reason, that means political instability also influence the movement of the population from one geographical place to another geographical place. And other environmental factors, different environmental, like in the context of Nepal, there are different natural disaster occurs in the different geographical place. They consider the advantage and disadvantage, that means the merit and demerit of the staying and moving, as well as the factors such as the distance, that means large distance, small distance or middle distance, travel cost, that means the cost of the travel from one to other place, from place of residence to place of birth to place of destination, that means office to home. Travel time also create the migration for different purpose. Modes of transportation, different modes, flight or railway or buses or individual transportation also create the migration. And culture barriers also influence the movement of the population from one place to other place. This reason are based on the two factors, that is the one must be push factor, another one is pull factor. That means the push factors, first one is push factors, that means the reason or factors for immigrate or leaving the place because the difficulties or different factors such as the food shortage, war, flood, rural area, a disadvantage of different less opportunity of jobs, education, that is also the factor of push from place of birth. Another factor, that means the pull factor, that means the event or factors or reason for immigrate or moving into the place, that means entering the certain place because the something desirable or something desirable such as the nice climate, that means environmental purpose, better food supply, freedom, development, services and job opportunity, education, others are said to be pull factors. Another one said to be inside the migration, that is economical migration or economic migration. This moves the individual or population moving to find the works or opportunity of jobs, opportunity of business or other particular economic activities, or follow the particular career path. That types of migration is said to be economical migration. All the migration based on the economic activities. That means either to get the jobs or works or business or other types of the economic activities. That types of migration is said to be economic migration. Social migration, that means a social factor, all the individual or population or people movement from one place to other place based on the social activities. That means this involves the somewhere for the better quality of life, that means status of life, or closer to family or friends or social activities, social status. That types of movement or migration is said to be social migration. Cultural migration, all the migration movement that is based upon the cultural activities. For example, religious freedom, education, and other factors that is based on the culture. That movement is the cultural migration. Similarly, next one is political migration. All the movement or of individual or population, that means based on the political unravels, political instability, that is said to be political migration. This means this involves the moving the people or population or individual escape political, religious, ethical perspective or conflict or political instability or war or etc. is said to be political migration from one place to other place or one country to other country, one geographical place to other geographical place. That is said to be political migration. Last one is environmental migration. This is the type of migration or movement including the natural disasters such as the flooding, drought, earthquake, and other similar types of natural disaster that are the influence the movement from one place or a place of birth to place of destination. These are the regions or effect of or main event or region of the migration of, that means movement from one place to another place. Any questions before the growth rate? K questions are inside the migration? A quick question aako huna sakcha. Any question? No question. Still no question from the student. Okay, to be continued. Measure of growth rate, that means population are influenced by the growth of the population. That means the measure of growth rate of the certain country or certain year. That means the measure of population growth. The population growth is the measures the increase or decrease. That means the either more or less of the population inside the certain country in the certain period of time, that are measured by the growth rate of the population. This is noticed from the difference between the birth and death. All the measure of the population, that is the population growth rate, is the measured by the difference between the birth rate and death rate of the certain country or number of birth and number of death in the specific period of time. That gives the measure that gives the growth rate of the population inside the certain country, certain year. Birth and immigration, that means the number of birth and number of in population, means increase the population in certain country or add the increase in the population. Similarly, the death, number of death or immigration, that is leaving the population, adds to the degrees of the population in certain geographical place, certain province, certain country. Birth, death, and migration combine or together influence the growth rate of the population or growth rate of the certain population inside the certain geographical place, certain country. It is generally denoted by R and given by population growth rate equal to total number of current total number of population in current year minus total number of population in base year. That means the current year means study year, base year means previous year or observed year. Divide by population of the base year. That means population of the previous year or previous census or previous estimated population. For example, the population growth rate of the population in Nepal in 2020 means total number of population in 2020 minus population in base year, that means previous observed population previous year, that means 2011, divided by total number of population in 2011. That is previous year is said to be base year and study year is said to be current year, multiplied by 100. For example, R equal to PT minus P0, which are divided by P0 into 100. The symbols are usual meaning. That means where R means the population growth rate, PT means total population at current year, that means the total population in previous year, comparing year, and P0 means current year means study year, and P0 means total number of population at base year, that means given year or comparing year. For example, the population of Nepal was Nepal in 2011 census is 2,64,94,504 and 2,31,51,423 in the census 2001. Find the population growth rate for the year 2011, that means based on 10 years. That is the annual rate of the natural increase rate is given by before the next. Please calculate the population growth rate based on the census of between the census, that means census in 2011 and 2001. Please calculate the growth rate of population in Nepal based on the census data 2011 and 2001. That means base year population is, that means population in 2001. Current year population means population in 2011. Please calculate the growth rate of Nepal in 2011. That means 2,64,94,504 minus 2,31,51,424 divided by 2 crore. That means the base year 2,31,51,425 into 100. Calculate the growth rate. Pahile calculate garne. Before the next, please calculate the growth rate of Nepal in 2011. गरिसक्यो होला कसैले 14.44%. Yes, 14.44. Okay. ल अरूले गरे छैन. Only Shreya Shrestha calculate the all vital statistics. Other are only either listening or sleeping. Which one? अरूले चाहिँ गरेको छैन. अरूको त यहाँ देख्छु नि रिटर्न पनि छैन, केही पनि छैन, रेस्पोन्स पनि छैन. के हो? क्लासमा त छ कि यहाँनिर अन गर्ने त्यसपछि टाप टिपी टाप कस्ने होइन. मेरो विचार त्यो गरेको नि हो त. कतिजनाले त्यो पनि गरेको हुन सक्छ. I think some of the students leave from the class, but they are inside the class. ल ओके, अब पछि सोध्छु नि म. Similarly, rate of the natural increase, that means based on the natural events, nature vital events, that means the rate of natural increase, that means the birth minus death by total number of population, that means the mean year population multiplied by 100, that means the based on the natural vital events without the migration, that is said to be rate of natural increase, including the migration, that is said to be growth. Population growth rate. Estimation of the population, that means estimating the population or forecasting the population or finding the or estimating the population in certain particular year based on the available data. Every census of 10 years, that means every country conduct the census in every 10 years except Japan and German. We already discussed in previous classes in the context of the introduction of demography. That means every census of 10 years gives us the data or total population or population statistics or information of the population inside the certain country. Based on the data, based on the information, based on the statistics in the census or vital statistics in the census, we apply the three methods. That means we conduct three methods to finding out the mid-year population or total population for any particular year based on the available information of census. That procedure is said to be estimating of the population. That means the first method, that means natural increase method. That means all the estimating population based on the available or vital events. That means population estimated, forecasted, or estimated based on the registration of vital events. That means specifically we are study the three vital events. That means birth, death, and migration. But there are many vital events like marriage, divorce, also said to be a vital event. But we only study the changes of the population. That means the birth, death, and immigration or migration that are inside the migration. We should include the immigration and immigration. It is also known as the balancing equation. That means the left side equal to right side is said to be balancing equation. That means mathematically we use in the natural increase method, that means estimated population equal to census population. That means the previous census population plus number of birth minus number of death, because death is the decreasing, birth is the increasing. Immigration, that means immigration in the certain geographical place or certain country, and immigrated man, that means the leaving the country, that equal to P plus B minus D plus I minus E, because P means total population in the census, B means number of birth in the particular years, and D means total number of death in particular year, plus I means total number of immigrant, and E means immigrant, total number of immigrant in the particular year. That are the symbolically we should write the, we should represent the estimated population equal to P plus B minus B, P minus D plus E, I minus E. For example, in the Kathmandu, that means the based on the Kathmandu districts, the following data were available. Census population at 2001, that means the census in the 2001, that means the 6,75,341, birth register over the period of 10 years, that means 2001 to 2011, that means the 1,50,000. Death registering over the 10 years, that means 2001 to 2011, that means 25,000. Immigrants, that equal to number of entering the population in Kathmandu from 2001 to 2011, that is the 3 lakhs. And immigrant, total number of immigrants, that means total number of population outgoing from Kathmandu, that is the 30,000. Please estimate the population of Kathmandu in 2011 from above information. Please calculate the or estimated the population of Kathmandu in 2011 based on the given information or above information. Calculation गर्ने कति आउँछ प्लिज, कति आउँछ प्लिज क्याल्कुलेट. ओन्ली श्रेया श्रेष्ठ भन्नेले मात्र क्याल्कुलेसन गरेछ, अरु खै बोइजहरुको नो रेस्पोन्स. बोइजहरुको रेस्पोन्सै छैन त, कता गयो? 2,42,03,41. विमला श्रेष्ठ. नेक्स्ट फिनिश्ड अभिषेक. 107 1 करोड अभिषेकको मिलेन जस्तो छ है प्लिज अभिषेक अगेन ट्राई अगेन कल एस्टिमेट द पपुलेसन 10 लाख 1 2 3 4 कति 10 1 करोड 7 लाख हैन 10 लाख 70,000 के डेटा मिलेन कि क्या हो क्याल्कुलेसन गरेर त डेटा मिलेन जस्तो लाग्यो एन्सर मिलेन जस्तो लाग्यो ए बेस्ड अन द ओके 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 दैट मीन्स 6 लाख दैट मीन्स 10 लाख भनेपछि बिमलाको चाहिँ चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने भयो बिमलाको चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने भयो बिमला प्लिज चेक द एन्सर आई थिंक एन्सर अफ बिमला इज रङ एज कम्पेयर विथ द अदर स्टुडेन्ट ओके प्लिज चेक गर कति ओके त भन्यो प्लिज चेक गर त कति आउँछ 10,70,341 आउँछ आउँछ ओके I think this much today. If any question, please tell me without